Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates as you know, and we provide quality content in our channel. If you have come first time in our channel, you can subscribe to get this type of job notification as well as interview tips, career guidance, all these things. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about one job notification which has come from Hitachi. They're hiring freshers batch, and they're hiring diploma students also. They have not mentioned any percentage criteria for hiring, so you have to give your skill sets there, and based on the skill sets and the requirement in Hitachi, they will definitely hire you. So I will show you. You will get this survey link there, and you have to fill this survey link to apply for this drive, and you will get the aptitude round test and interview related links if you selected in the aptitude round through your email ID and contact details. So you have to fill this form very minutely, as there is no percentage criteria, and salary will be minimum 3 to 4 LPA, and they will hire for pan India location, I mean to say for the across India location. So this is the form, and this is the survey form. You need to fill the details in this form. So firstly you have to give your name, your location, your contact details. Please give the correct contact details, because test link will come as a message format in this contact details. And you have to give your educational background details, like if you are BTech or BSc in IT or diploma holder in IT. So these three graduates are eligible, like BTech or BE, and BTech or BE in any streams are eligible. And for BSc, IT background are eligible, and diploma holder in IT are eligible. You have to give your college name, year of pass out. Here it's mentioned the date. You have to select the end date of your college pass out. Like if you have completed your uh, college on 1st of June, then you have to select from here 1st of June, and in 2021 you have completed. So in this format you have to select. Okay. Now for the technical skill sets, you have to provide your skill sets, like if you are from CS or IT background, you will definitely give here 2 or 3 programming languages skill, and one DBMS knowledge skill. And if you have work experience, or if you have done your project in MySQL or in by using Oracle, you can give there. And if you have done any certification also in these technologies, that is also plus point. And if you have knowledge in cloud computing and Python, also a very important skill sets for this drive also. So if you have done any certification, you have to provide here. Like as I have mentioned, some of you have done Python certification, some of you have done Oracle certification. You need to mention here. And the skill sets, just provide full details of the skill sets. If you have knowledge in C, C++, Java, Python, just give the name of the skill sets. Mention one OS also, like you are confident to work in Linux environment or in Windows environment. And for the area of interest, in which area you want to move, in technical security domain or cloud data center domain or any other, then you have to specify here. Then the preferred location you need to choose. So for these 7 locations, Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Ahmedabad, Chennai, Hyderabad and Bangalore location, they are hiring. And if you are ready to work in any shift in 24/7 job profile format, then you have to select yes. Then you have to submit this form. So after getting submit this form, based on the skill sets and based on your profile, they will select you, and they will definitely share with you the interview link or the aptitude round link through your contact details. So just let me know when you are getting completed of this submission, and also you let me know that when you receive the interview link or the application link in the comment box. Hope this is helpful for you. All the best guys, apply soon. We will meet in next video with new job updates. Please subscribe our channel.